So today I'm gonna teach you how to change default app settings in Mac. So there is actually two ways to go about it. One is if you just wanted to open a file once with a specific app, you just gotta go to Finder and search for that certain type, that file type, and then click on that file, choose open with, and then choose the app that you wanted that file to be opened with. So it's gonna be VLC. Then another thing, if you wanted to permanently change the apps that was or change the app that's used to open all file types sharing the same file extension, one way to go about it is that you have to right click on that file, click get info, something like this would pop up, and go to open with, expand it, and select the app that you wanted that file type to open every time. And the most important part is that you wanted to select all or change all. Then something like this would appear. Just click continue and you're all set. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.